Welcome to Chhapra Railway Station. This station is managed by the Northeastern Railway Zone of Indian Railways. This station has a total number of 8 platforms with 2 foot-over bridges. There are 4 entry exits to the station with 1 main entry exit. Foot-over bridge 1 has stairs to all platforms, an escalator at the entry exit and ramps for platforms 2, 3, 4 and 5. Foot-over bridge 2 has stairs to all platforms and lifts at platforms 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The main entrance hall has an enquiry counter, booking office, ticket counters and Divyang ticket counter. All the offices and passenger amenities are present on platform 1, such as the Divyang toilet, waiting hall, VIP room, upper class waiting room, dormitory, retiring room, refreshment room, child help desk, RPF office, station master office, parcel office, chief ticket inspector office, chief health inspector office and help desk. There is a booking office and ticket counter at the back side entrance. Divyang water booths are present at platforms 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are toilets and water booths available on all platforms. There are wheelchairs and portable ramps available at the station to facilitate a person using a wheelchair to board the train. You can ask this at the enquiry or station master office. Platform numbers in Braille are mentioned on the indicators installed on the railings of stairs and ramps leading towards the platforms. Braille signboards have been installed for all the offices and facilities like toilets, waiting halls, etc. to help people with visual disabilities. A station map in Braille and English that gives an overview of the station premise and facilities are installed in the main entry hall to facilitate people with visual disabilities. The stairs have reflective yellow paint at the start and end to assist people with low vision. Scannable audio about the railway station can be played over the phone by scanning the code installed at various locations. The initiative of providing rail signs and other facilities for people with visual disabilities, including this video, is driven by Indian Railways in association with Standard Chartered Bank India and executed by Anuprayaas and Enable India.